The next topic is contraction in demand. Contraction in demand refers to a fall in the quantity demanded due to a rise in the price of the commodity. Other factors remaining constant. It leads to upward movement along the same demand curve. It is also known as decrease in quantity demanded. We can understand it from this table. In this table, at price of ₹20, demand is 100 unit. The price rises from ₹20 to ₹25. Demand falls from 100 to 70 units. And we can see this in the demand curve. At price ₹20, the quantity demanded was 100. Price rises from 20 to 25. The quantity demanded falls from 100 to 70. And there is upward movement along the demand curve from A to B. We can easily understand it about the expansion in demand and in contraction in demand. Our next topic is shift in demand curve or change in demand. Demand curve is drawn to show the relationship between price and quantity demanded of a commodity, assuming all factors being constant. However, other factors are bound to change sooner or later. A change in one of the other factors shifts the demand curve. Here, other factors are, I am again reminding you, the price of the related goods, that is substitute goods and complementary goods, income of the consumer, and taste and preference of the consumer. Here, for example, suppose income of the consumer increases. Now the consumer may increase the demand for the product, even though the price has not changed. Such increase in demand of any product whose price has not changed cannot be represented by original demand curve. It will shift the demand curve. When the demand of the commodity changes due to the change in other factors or due to the change in any factor other than the own price of the commodity, it is known as change in demand. It is expressed as shift in the demand curve. Various reasons for the shift in demand curve are change in the price of the substitute commodity, change in the price of complementary commodity, change in income of the consumer, change in taste and preference of the consumer, expectation of change in price in future, change in population, change in distribution of income, or change in season and weather.